Apparently, Vusi Nova has answered his calling of being a Sangoma. And this has a lot of people making all kinds of assumptions. While others are saying if you dig deeper, you'll find that all talented African singers have somewhat of a spiritual calling in the background, because singing is a spiritual thing that heals and touches people spiritually. Others are just like, we're not buying this. This guy saw he was now getting maybe 3 gigs annually, so he thought he might as well be called to be a Sangoma. Go to a therapist, you'll be fine. We can't all be Sangomas. Someone also said, and this one I must say took me out, they were like, what happens if we start burping whilst on stage? What is expected from us? Snave and beating of drums? But honestly speaking, these celebrities must just stop with this Sangoma rising thing, because what are they doing? Everyone can be called. Also, they are causing a lot of confusion, especially to people that follow them, because while Bovusi are going in, some are coming out even exposing the evilness of this cult. So what's the point of doing it? And which one is this one they are doing? Because they always come out at the end of the day unprovoked, may I add, telling us how it was without our consent. At this point, they seem to be doing anything to stay relevant. Vusi is called to be a singer. This, I don't know.
A lot of young people like you, that was. Kwele ha ke re ke a sheba ke raya man. Bana ba maka ke depression. Mesebetsi ha yo banna ha ba sa tsoelwa, ntho tseo di ka o hlantsha. O be depressed.
But anyway, let's continue all this in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.